You're watching Chizzy Delish Kitchen. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for always stopping around to watch your girl, for always supporting me. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. So if you're watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome, and do consider subscribing on your way out. Okay guys, in today's video I'm gonna be making seafood boy. You all know that I love seafood boy and my children love seafood boy. So today I just got a lot of crabs, so I'm gonna be using it to make this seafood boy. So stay tuned, let's dive into this video.